Welcome back to Country Cow Designs. This month for the pattern challenge we are going to be making this backpack by So Sweetness. So last month in March we were making the Sassy Saddle Bag by Mrs. H Sewing Patterns, which is now called the Make Space. And there's been so many of them made on our Facebook group. It looks amazing. Everybody's done theirs differently. People have done little adaptations. There's lots of tips. So if you haven't made yours yet, then just go onto the Facebook group Sewing with Country Cow Designs, and you'll see like all of the different inspiration and the tips, and you can ask questions as well of other people who have already made that bag. But for May, are we in May? I've totally got the month wrong. It was April that we were doing that bag. May, we're making the So Sweetness backpack. So this is the Chickadee backpack. It is it right to say a labor of love? I loved it, but there's a lot of stuff to do because it's a big backpack. So yeah, I'm gonna go with labor of love. It's got this really cool front pocket, and inside it's got loads more pockets. Mesh, so you get to use mesh, a bit of fold over elastic. We're making it with bag frames. There's loads of things. The only thing I really changed was that I did faux leather handles, and I put strap ends on when you're supposed to like just fold the raw edge under, and then I riveted them just because I was feeling a little bit lazy, let's be honest. So I wanted to do them at the end, so that's what I did with those. Everything else is as per the pattern, I believe. It's got these two big pockets. The frame at the top means that it opens like that, kind of like a doctor's bag almost. That's what it makes me think of. And then it's got more pockets inside, and then it just kind of closes like that. It's quite cool. It's I think people love it as like a baby backpack, you know, for nappies and that kind of thing, because it's got a big opening. So yeah, so that is the pattern challenge for this month. There's a discount in the Facebook group, and we'll be putting our top tips and everything like that on. So if you go to the featured posts, you'll see my post, which has like the discount code, the link to buy it, everything like that. I recommend getting the video tutorial because it's got a few steps that were new even to me. And when you've got the video tutorial, it is like super detailed and clear, really, really clear. And she kind of does everything in real time, so you can actually sew along with her. It's really cool. So yeah, you can buy just the pattern, or you can buy the pattern with the video. I recommend buying it with the video. I have used water-resistant cotton canvas. This is a new one we got in stock. And then I've used this, it's kind of like an Oxford polyester canvas. It's something new that we're stocking. We've got a few colours. Got a few different colours going on. What does it feel like? It's kind of like papery. I don't know. It's like a really thick paper almost. It's like crisp, which means it like creases really well. I don't interface it. I just use like whatever stabilizer I'm using for the pattern. This is really suitable for backpacks, like hard wearing bags, utility style bags. Yeah, that is what I would use it for. I don't think I'd use it for a handbag because it's just too durable, rough and ready. It doesn't have that luxurious look, you know what I mean? So for me, this is for like backpacks and things. So we've got loads of colours. And you can almost think that it is the same on both sides, but it's not. It does have a right and a wrong side, because the wrong side, you can see like marks and things like that. So just if you're thinking that you've got a few marks on your fabric, it's because you're looking at the wrong side. So yeah, loads of colours with that. That is what we're making this month. Every month we are going to be choosing like a winner from our Facebook group of somebody at random who has shared their bag that they've made for the pattern challenge, and we're going to give them a voucher for the shop. So even if you're like international and you're not in the UK, you can use the voucher against digital sewing patterns and things like that. So we're hoping that will work out for everybody, whoever wins. And we just want to kind of make it a bit more fun and give it a little bit more of a challenge for the pattern challenge every month. So yeah, I definitely recommend giving this month's challenge a go. Other news of what we've got going on in the shop, we have got a open day happening in June 13th. We also have a sew along, like a sewing workshop day, but that's fully booked. So June 13th on the Saturday is when we're going to be doing the open day. We'll have loads of special products, special offers. We'll be doing demonstrations, how to use hand presses, what stabilizers you should be using, all different things like that. So if there's anything that scares you in bag making and you've been wanting to make a trip down to Cornwall, then I definitely recommend trying to come to the open day, because we're going to be covering loads of different subjects. And even if there's a subject that isn't already listed, you can just send us an email or let us know something that you think we're missing. We're happy to chop and change and add new things to the day. So yeah, if you can make it down in June, the weather should be good. It should be amazing here in Cornwall. So a lot of people have already heard that we got a new colour of our faux leather, our Mora faux leather. So this is called Arctic Blue. And we did get the webbing in at the same time to match quite closely with it. Kind of pulls out the hues in there. But the zip tape has now just arrived. It was a bit late, but it has arrived. So the zip tape's a little bit darker. It was supposed to match, but you know how these things are. So it kind of pulls out the darker hues of the fabric instead, just with like a slight contrast, but it's still like a really nice complementing color. So we've got that in stock now in brass, copper, silver and black. We also have another new zip tape color called Denim Blue, and we have some webbings to go with that. And we have dark brown, which is to go with the dark brown Mora and the webbing that we have, because we got loads of requests for that. So those are all now in stock on the website. So last but not least, we are moving our shop. Not far, we are staying in the same town, which is gonna be like a 5-minute drive from where we are now. But we needed a bigger space because we're kind of getting crowded. Anybody that's visited the shop in person knows it's kind of getting crowded. So we have a bigger shop that we're moving to really close by. It's gonna be pretty amazing, we hope, because we are like planning it from the offset to have like just way more storage and way more things, and it's gonna allow us to stock some new products that we've been really wanting to stock, but we haven't had space. So yeah, watch this space for that. That's gonna be right after our open day. So if you're coming to our open day, it's in the current shop. Don't worry, we're not moving until after that. The new shop also is in like a great location with loads of foodie places and a place that we can hold workshops regularly and things like that. So we're quite excited about what is going to open up for us. So for May, we're making the pattern by So Sweetness. June is going to be one of my own patterns. It is a new pattern that is going to the testers in any day now, actually. And I'm really excited about it. It's a handbag. It's very different to the Demalza, in my opinion. I'm quite excited, so yeah, I will show you that soon. So watch this space for that. And I think that is everything for this month's update. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you soon. Bye.